Ready to turn your yard into the envy of the neighborhood and have fun doing it? Start with the basics. Learn what makes a healthy lawn, get the right tools, and set yourself up for success. Master the routine, stay safe, and discover the secret to top-notch customer service. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a pro, identify grasses, fight off weeds and pests, and see how yard work can boost your health. Go green and save the blue. Discover xeriscaping gorgeous. Low water landscaping is good for the planet and your wallet. Light up your landscape and water smarter. Plus, learn what grows best in your zone. Bring your yard to life with flowers. From rare finds to the perfect bouquet for every occasion, we've got you covered, including the secret land